Advantages of a bad credit loan. Here are some of the advantages of taking out a bad credit loan. Clear loan payment plan. From the day you take out a personal loan, you know precisely how much your monthly payments will be, and when the loan will be paid off, also known as the repayment term. This information can help you plan for your financial future. Debt consolidation. You may be able to consolidate higher interest debt into one loan, simplifying your life. In some cases, this can also lower your interest rate, or even lower your monthly payment. This may mean stretching your payments over a longer period of time. But if, for example, you are facing bankruptcy, longer repayment terms on a personal loan might give you some breathing space. Give you the money you need quickly. You have access to money when your water heater goes belly up, or some other financial emergency creeps into your life. The process is fast, and funds are typically dispersed within 1 or 2 days. Avoid unscrupulous lenders. You can borrow from a reputable lender rather than deal with a payday lender or title loan company. These loans are designed in a way that makes them difficult to pay off by the due date. The bonus for the predatory lender is that you must then take out another unsecured loan to pay off the original loan. That means paying another set of expensive fees and a ridiculously high annual percentage rate. Build your credit. If you make your loan payments on time, a personal loan can help to build your credit. That may mean you qualify for a lower interest rate the next time you need a loan. Even if your credit score isn't perfect, you still have loan options. No matter what a report from a credit bureau says about your payment history, you likely have access to a bad credit personal loan.